Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto translate videos with HeyGen AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So HeyGen is an AI video creation and editing platform. One of its most powerful tools is AI video translation with lip syncing. So for this, you need to simply go in a web browser and type in the URL www.heygen.com. This will lead you to the official page of HeyGen. So you need to sign up for free or log in if you have already created an account. Now, once you have logged in into your account as well, now simply go and tap on the thing that you want, that is basically uploading your video. You need to now simply select the file you want to translate and choose the video translate feature and simply tap on lip sync and audio and choose the video. After this, you need to select the target language. You need to simply write in Spanish, Japanese, French, or any of the 40 plus languages that HeyGen supports. Once this is done, you can customize your voice and style, that is completely optional, and generate a translation. Once this is done, you can review the voice and video recording and export it. So by doing this, you will be able to simply auto-translate videos in HeyGen AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.